Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Akhtar Fatan Widodo, and in today's video, I will present to you my progress about the data lakehouse assignment. This is the notion I got. So, for the project description, it's from create data lakehouse solution into a file that should be accommodate, and then for the output is source code, documentation, and also capture of the process from ingest to structure, from files to data in star schema data warehouse. But for my progress in data lake week 14, for the first one, in my file, which is I create a structure of files that is the folder name is data underscore lake, and then inside it there is three folder. At first it is raw, process, and also analytics. For raw, I also use three dummy document such as PDF, CSV, and also TXT. For the PDF, this one it is actually the a real PDF from Innovest. This is from Microsoft Corp company in company update of earning brief. So as you can see, there is various of information and data alongside with the chart on the PDF. Okay, so I use a real PDF document. And then next for the CSV, if I open this, it will be look like something like this. So this is also a real situation, a real data from the title smart_sensors. I got this CSV from Znode website. And then for the TXT, this is tweets from Twitter, but this is generated, so it is actually made up. So if I click this, as you can see, there is the author or the username, and then the tweets or the comments, and also a bunch of emoji, because this is still raw data. And then next, also in data lakehouse, there is processed. Okay, for this one, it is the extraction clean version of the raw documents. So for the Microsoft PDF, it will be Microsoft 2024 TXT. For the smart sensors, it will be clean also. Also the tweets, it also will be clean and put to the process folder. And then next, for the analytics, I just put the analytics inside the data lake folder also, but it's in the next step. So let's move on to the beaver. Okay, for this one I use the previous DB or database, which is staging_DW, and then inside it I create the table inside the data underscore lake. For the first one, create table for smart sensors. This is the CSV one, so I create the sensor ID, timestamp, until occupancy status. And then for the Microsoft earning brief, I use the same for creating new a new table in data lake and also the tweets txt. So next it will be created something like this. This is for smart sensors Microsoft 2024 and also the tweets. But for the first input there is actually nothing here. So what I do for this data to be appearing here is that I go to VS Code, and then as you can see there is process underscore data dot lake Python. This is for the tree of this raw data to be clean and process to the process files. So it looks like this for the tree of the clean process. This is for number 1, process smart sensor. Number 2, extract the text from Microsoft PDF. Number 3, clean the tweets, like the emojis. We actually disappear all of the emojis, and then after that I use Python also to push it to the beaver. So this part is for the content or the data to be pushed in this the beaver. So it looks like this. This one is for smart sensors. From read the clean CSV until load using copy or connect to Postgres SQL. Also the same with tweets and also Microsoft. It requires my DB information, my password from Postgres, and port also, and then the localhost. Okay, after that it will look like this. And then for the tweets, actually the author is null. It is because it's still combined with tweet underscore text. I will be clarifying this issue later. And for the Microsoft 2024, this is actually the complete one. And then why is there any null in here? There is several null. It is the main reason is because the null values appear because I use an outer join to combine revenue and sentiment data based on the quarter column. And then since not every quarter has both revenue and sentiment information, so that the unmatched fields are filled with null to preserve all available data. And then this also like ensuring there is no data is lost from their sources, like this. So for example, like 3Q24E in this row, which is 28th row, has revenue data but no corresponding sentiment data. So the sentiment fields are null, as you can see here. And then this kind of behavior is expected in the outer join and reflects the real gaps in the source document. And then okay, I think that's it. So this is my structure of the data lake document. This is the push data in the beaver alongside with the diagram. There is 3 which is correct. And then all of the Python in VS Code to clean the 3 of them and also upload it to the Beaver. And then the output will be in this staging folder. So staging folder, go to CSV, and then all of the staging table are in here showing for the output. Okay, I think that's it from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.